How to create Sendwave account. Download the official Sendwave app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then install it on your smartphone and open the app. Open Sendwave and choose the country you are sending money from and the country where the receiver will get the money. Enter your active mobile phone number and verify it by typing the OTP code that Sendwave sends to you via SMS. Complete your profile by adding your full name, date of birth, email address, and home address exactly as per your ID. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID like passport or national ID, then take a selfie to finish identity verification. Add a payment method by securely linking your debit card or supported bank account so you can fund transfers easily. After approval, enter the amount, select the recipient, check exchange rate and details, then confirm to send money. Thanks for watching.